Okay, so as you can see, I built a DIY spool holder. Just need to, refine the little details and all that. But it'll sit basically like this on top of the printer, and then we'll have to make some holes on either here, this side, or this side, so that it'll stay on there. And this part here can be cut. Doesn't have to be this long. But basically, let's see if I can do this one-handed. It'll be pretty hard, but hopefully, don't run away. Okay. But anyway, you can see it'll fit in there, and it's nice and snug. And then, basically, you can turn it, and it'll be right on top of the printer, so it'll work. Made this for the Tevo Michaelangelo, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll be able to get it to work, depending on whether the screws or not will fit in correctly. But yeah, hopefully. Let's keep our fingers crossed.